Hey everyone, it's your girl Christina K, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to be doing my cousin's makeup. Don't judge me because I'm not no makeup artist, I'm not an MUA, and I'm just going to show you guys the process of how I do other people's makeup when I do other people's makeup. So first I'm going to be doing her eyebrows. Right now I'm just brushing out the hairs, trying to make it as even as possible. Next, I'm just going to be using my Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia, and then I'm just going to be filling out the hairs. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to be moving on to color correcting. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm back. I finished color correcting her face, so now I'm just moving on to the eyeshadow. I'm trying to probably go for a sunset, yeah, sunset orangey reddish look. So I'll see you when I am done trying to achieve that look. Alright y'all, so I am back. I actually forgot to show you guys the eyeshadow. It's just like a reddish orange yellowy look, and then I also did her foundation. So now we are going to be moving on to the concealer. So I just got done with the concealer highlighting. So inside the side. Now it's time to bake and contour. So kind of had a little bit of baking malfunction, so some of the powder got all over her face, but right now I'm just doing more contour and just adding more definition back to her face from all this powder. And then now I'm going to be brushing out the excess powder from her face. This is going to be dry. I'll be back when I'm finished with this portion. Okay, you guys, so pretty much this makeup tutorial was a fail, but I finished my cousin's makeup. Just something slight. I hope you guys like it. I'm not a makeup artist, I already let you know, but anyways, I will be seeing you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Alright, see you later. Bye.